Wait a minute, Doc.
My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
All right, you guys, so let's open this up and just see what's inside. You got the B. Clark Customs mask right here. Got the B with the glitter effect. Okay, well, okay, all right. But what we're really here for is these Oster Fastfeed Nike Air Mag themes. All right, let's go with the details right quick. On the top, all my sneaker heads, y'all know the box comes, it looks like this. And I like the little touch they put on the blade. He had the box basically on top. You know what I mean? The blade is on top of the clipper. Just the attention to detail. All right, he killed it with that. On the back, Nike Air Mag. He got the, you know, the lights right here, which is found on the side of the shoe. Got the Nike in white, the mag in gloss right here. If you guys can see it, that thing glossy. Got the sprinkle splackle on the back with the gray, nice touch. Nike check with the lights right here, which represents the charging on the side of the shoe. On the front, you got the Nike bulging out right here. I don't know how he added that touch, but it's definitely a nice one. Got the cages where you can see through. It's supposed to be for breathability, but you know what I mean. It is what it is. Got the Nike check on the bottom. B. Clark Customs, his branding on the front panel right here. On the side, I definitely feel like he did something new with this lever right here, because I don't know, it's kind of different. It comes to a point. I don't know if all of the Fastfeeds come to the point, but it's just the attention to detail that is really nice on this clipper right here. Got the sprinkle splackle on the off and on button. And yeah, basically that's it, man. And last but not least, man, when you turn the clipper on, you already know, man, the Nike sign lights up just like the shoe. When you plug it in, it lights up. Also want to show you when it's plugged up what it does. So let's plug it up. Look at how that charger lights up, man. Dope. Nice touch, nice touch. But enough about the Fastfeeds. I'm gonna take you to the liners that he made. All right, so this right here is the Babyliss Skeleton FX trimmers. Basically, he put the same concept on both of the clippers. Got the top right here, Nike Air Mag on the back with the lights on the side, Nike check with the lights on the side. Same thing with the Nike on the front. It bulges out. I don't see how he did that like that, but it's dope. The regular trimmers do not come looking like this at all. Got the Nike on the bottom right here, sprinkle splatter, all right, on the on and off button. And as you know, when you turn it on, it definitely lights up just like the shoe. So definitely a nice touch, man, when it comes to, you know, consistency. Look at the consistency in this. You know what I'm saying? Side view. Same Nike check, lights on the bottom, on the back, Nike Air Mag. Consistency is key. Consistency is key, man. Dope, dope, dope. And last but not least, man, he put in this style liner, pro style liner. I don't know really what this clipper is called, but it's like a style liner of some sort. You know, he threw it in. I did not pay for this particular clipper. He just threw it in for the love. So I appreciate you, B. Clark Customs, for that. Check it out. Check it out. RPM clipper code on the back, sprinkle splatter on the front. I don't know what this R is for, so anybody in the comment section that knows about this clipper, let me know. On and off button. Nothing too detailed about the on and off button, but I'll just use this clipper as like a balding clipper. But at the end of the day, if it hit, you know what I'm saying? It hit. I'm not gonna use it as a balding clipper, but right now, my mind frame, balding clipper. That way I could use the whole set and be straight. Came in and threw in some Nike Air Mag keychains, which is dope. He hit me up and he was like, man, I was finna, you know, paint these to get them to match the same color, but then I was like, come on, bro. He told me his wife was like, man, he finna take them keychains off and just put them somewhere else. And I was like, yeah, that's real talk. But really appreciate the attention to detail that you threw these in still. Another thing I wanna address is that he threw in the regular blade. All right, I didn't know that at first when I looked at it. I was like, oh, that's dope, man. That's a different type of, you know what I mean, blade that he had on here. But this is, I guess, is the fade blade, and then this comes, he still threw in the regular blade, you know, for my liking. So shout out to B-Dart Customs for, you know, always paying attention to detail, always hooking me up with my custom clippers. And man, this is just, this is dope, man. I appreciate it. All right, you guys, so I showed you guys what this clipper looks like and all of the details and all of that. I'm gonna show you guys how they cut. Stay tuned.
Wait a minute, Doc.
My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Never move again. Chill, not good times. And here we stand.
Bro, these liners hit. I'm talking about hit. And I know you guys don't want to hear about these liners, but when it comes to these liners, he did put an extra, like a souped up battery in it. It's not the same battery that it came with, but I know you guys don't want to hear about this clipper. What you guys are here for is the cordless fast feed. So when I was cutting my son hair, I've noticed that the clipper was kind of quiet, and not meaning like when I turn it on, the sound that it makes. I'm talking about the individual hairs that's being cut. It was very silent. You couldn't hear like you do on the cordless masters or even the fast feeds with the cord on it. You can't hear. That's probably the only con that I have for this clipper. All of the pros that I love about the other clipper are here. You got the LED lights, you got the cordless aspect of it. I mean, this clipper right here is dope. All right, let's get into the specs of this clipper. So with this clipper right here, it runs on a 3600 millihertz battery and a motor that runs for 4 hours on a 2000 millihertz. Now, I was in the shop trying to get it to die out, and literally I was here for 4 hours, the thing wouldn't die. That's just me running it. Cutting hair and letting it rest, that's a totally different story. So this is definitely gonna last all day, if not a day and a half. So this right here lives up to basically the Air Mag theme. You know what I mean? It's definitely futuristic with a souped up battery. So when I was talking about the lever, he definitely did kind of file it down to a point on this end, because stock, it comes like that, kind of bulky in the back where it gives you, you know, a better leverage. but this right here is definitely a dope, nice touch. I'm glad he did something with the lever to change it up. Now, as far as the sound on these clippers, I must say this one is definitely a lot louder. Let's do the sound test. Alright, so I know you guys are all like, where can we get it? Where can you buy it? Jeezy, fill us in on the scoop of where we can pick these up. Listen, B.Clark Custom, follow my man on Instagram. Now, I'm not saying that, you know, he's only one man. You got to keep that in mind. He's only one man. There's going to be a lot of people hitting him up. So just be patient with B.Clark Custom, please, all right? Shout out to Troy as well. He the one that put me on to the guy that makes these cordless fast feeds as well. So I gotta give a shout out to my man Troy, aka Blades for Life on Instagram. His link will be in the description below as well. He was the first one that I seen with the cordless fast feeds. So definitely shout out to him, because as soon as I seen him post it, man, I immediately contacted him and was like, hey, yo, what's the scoop? What can we do to get these in my hands? You know what I mean? And it's been a long, super long time coming, man. I've been wanting these fast feeds for the longest. All right, so appreciate B.Clark Customs, appreciate Troy, everybody. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man, because I'm gonna be using these throughout my whole journey. I know we shut down right now, but once we open back up, it's on. All right, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. Peace.